For primer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Using the mattifying one because I have oily skin, obviously. I'm just going to put this just everywhere. For foundation, haven't used this one in a long time. It's the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I really like this foundation. It's just kind of hard to find my right color. So whenever I use it, I kind of mix two. I'm going to use the Sigma Curved Kabuki F83 brush to apply it. There's a dog outside that keeps barking and barking and it's pissing me off. It's been raining all day. I love it. I love the dark, gloomy weather. I know most people like summer, but I like when it's raining and cold. But I had a lot of stuff to do earlier and it was not cool. I had to like get in and out of the car so many times and it was like pouring rain. It's not cool. I really, really love this brush. And I always put this little thing that it comes with back on the top because if not, it will dry out and get super hard right there. It's really annoying though. I hate that I have to do that because I normally just throw things like that away or lose them. I'm gonna cover up these bad boys under my eyes and I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 2W. These dogs barking at. This dog's been barking forever. Oh, I don't know if I want to put any more forehead. I just said I don't know if I want to put any more forehead and I just went in a lot. It's so cold in this room. My beauty blender is like freezing. I don't know why I'm doing all these dark looks right now. I should be doing like looks for Christmas and I'm already like ready for New Year's. Can't follow the crowd, right? I'm gonna set that before it creases and I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier powder, which I think it's time I get a new one. I'm like scraping it out of the sides. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Milk, I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked and I'm just gonna go along my jawline to kind of make me look a little more skinny. Because, I don't know, whenever I start gaining weight, it always comes on my face first, so yeah. So I'm just going along my jawline. Ooh, not right there. This one for me is really light. It's not going to do too much, so that's why I'm using this one. I'm just going to use my brush to blend that out. So I'm going to go right in with a darker color. I'm going to take LA Girls Pro Primer, and this is the black one, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid and then blend it out. It's super creamy, so it's really easy to blend and it doesn't dry down too fast. It's really, really easy to blend in and it gets kind of lighter as you blend it. And the palette that I'm going to use is a Sigma Nightlife palette. I'm pretty sure this is still available. The link will be in the description box below. I'm going to take the matte purple shade from that palette and a Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out into the crease. I'm not really doing, just very lightly. I don't want like a super crazy color in the background. I'm just kind of just blending it really lightly. And then I'm going to take the black from that palette and I'm going to apply that onto my eyelid. I'm kind of just going to pack it on first, and then I'm going to take another blending brush, another Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges and diffuse them a little bit so it's not so harsh.
And then I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue. This one is from Motives. It was a little bit blurry, but this one is from Motives. And there is a coupon code for Motives for free shipping, I believe, if it still works. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to use another Motives glitter. And I forgot what it's called, but it's this really, really pretty glitter. I actually put more on this eyelid than I did the other one. That was not planned, accident. But yeah, it's a really pretty glitter. And I just packed that on to my eyelid, basically everywhere I applied the shadow. And then I took Urban Decay's Perversion, is that what it's called? Perversion eyeliner, and I applied it to my waterline, and then I also applied it a little bit under my waterline so I can kind of blend that out into my lower lash line. And I didn't even add any shadow, I just kind of blended that out, that eyeliner down and out. And in the inner corner, I just used a silvery white shimmery color from the palette. Sorry, I don't know the names. And I just added that to the inner corner.
I haven't used this in so long. It's so dirty. I'm going to use the NARS Laguna bronzer. It's been a long time since I've used this. So I'm going to warm up my face a little bit with that. If I can find my brush, I'm going to do my nose with, I'm going to contour my nose with this Tarte Pro Glow. I don't want to use the NARS just because it has like a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'm going to use this Tarte Pro Glow powder in Sculpt. I'm going to take the Sigma Blush Cheek palette and I'm going to mix Cor de Rosa and Tiger Lily. Oh, actually, I'm going to take a little bit of the Milani Banana Translucent powder to kind of clean up under my cheeks. I like this one. I really like this one. Color like in Banana, they usually don't work for me because they're a little bit too yellow, but this one doesn't. This one looks pretty good. I'll wipe that off. I have this ColourPop Stole the Show Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlighter, I guess, but I think it might be a little too light. What? Oh, just fell out of the, just fell out. Okay, I think I'll try to use a little bit of this. It's Still the Show. I don't want a lot of highlight. I don't want a lot of highlight. I think I'm just gonna keep it like in this area. I do love a nose highlight, that's for sure. I know what I'm going to use. For lipstick, I'm going to use a Dose of Colors from their holiday collection, the lipstick set. It's Catching Feelings. Oh, this color is really pretty. I don't know why I don't have a big one like this. And then I think I'm going to add some lip gloss on it because I really want to try. This is from The Balm, from their, I think this is the holiday collection. It's a mini lip gloss kit. And it has a really, really pretty one in here called, I think it's called Overstate. I don't know, I'll show you right now. Plump Your Pucker lip gloss, Overstate. If you can see that. The camera focus. So pretty. I get in my moods. I like lip gloss. I don't like lip gloss. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. It's a really pretty color though.